Hi guys, today's video is going to be on the Riki mirror. I can't remember what the full name of this is, but I'll leave it linked below. I've had this mirror for a couple of months now, and that was not a great angle. And I thought it was probably time to review it and let you know whether or not I think it's worth the money. Number one, I am a YouTuber. I make lots of videos for various bits of social media like Instagram, and I might do little IGTVs, I might do vlogs, I might do kind of makeup videos. It depends on kind of how the mood strikes. But that's how I could justify the cost of this mirror. I don't know whether or not I could have taken the plunge if I hadn't been a YouTuber, if I hadn't been making videos, because that was the biggest draw for me. So I just kind of want to put that out there, that my review is based on the fact that I kind of could look at this almost as a business expense, because it really has helped me with a lot of things, but I've ended up using it every single day to do my makeup. Because initially I was like, well, I'm kind of seeing this as a lighting thing, and I will probably only use it when I film, but I use it every single day, and I'm starting to feel like if I didn't have it, I might repurchase it, and it is huge to say that because it's just so expensive. So number one, I got mine from FabFitFun. I have, again, terrible angles. I have a FabFitFun subscription. It comes to the UK. The shipping is expensive, but touch wood, I've never had any customs fees. I know that some people can. I think it's kind of just like a complete chance. It's a little bit like with the Erin Condren planners. Once or twice I had to pay quite a lot in customs, and then a lot of other times I didn't, so you kind of roll the dice. But so far I haven't had a problem. I have taken advantage of their add-ons quite a few times, because the dollar amount on a lot of these things is a really, really good deal. Plus they do discounts. So I'm currently waiting for a bag that is so random, but I'm going to do an unboxing as and when it arrives. So fingers crossed, no customs for that either. But the shipping cost is already included in your FabFitFun box. So if I'm paying £20 or $20, sorry, for shipping, that sounds like a lot of money. But then if I do the add-ons, so I might get like this mirror, for example, I might get a handbag, I might get, I got like a Kate Spade folio thing one time. I have had GLAMCOR masks, but loads of things on add-ons because it's already cheaper in dollars. Then they do a discount because that's part of the thing. They're like promoting something. Like, for example, the bag that I bought was like 50% off anyway, and it was in dollars, but we'll talk about that later. So this is £170-ish in the UK, and there's just no way I was ever going to spend that. I'd heard about it, but there was just no way. And I think it was something like $120 is what they had it in the add-on store at. So already that's discounted, but massively discounted for me, because that ended up coming down to something like £85-90 at the time. So that's like a huge saving. So bear in mind as well that I'm coming at it from a perspective of I got a massive discount when I purchased mine. I do think that that is one of the things that if I was ever to give up my subscription to FabFitFun, that's something that I'd really miss, because you just never know what might come up. And since it's only a quarterly box, that's kind of half of the reason that I keep my subscription, truth be told, because sometimes I just get amazing deals on things. So after that spiel, I'm going to show you what it does. I did film a little bit of myself using this mirror, so I'll put this in as we talk right now. It comes with this little thing right here. This sticks onto the mirror with a magnet. Super strong magnet. You can't just put it anywhere, which I thought you could, but you can't, because I thought, oh, that'd be great, because I'll be able to see in the middle. I'll be able to put it to the side. No, it has to go in the middle, which is kind of frustrating. And then you can put your phone in here, and you can swivel it round, which is really cool. So you can turn on the light. I'll just do it this way because it's super bright. Amazing. It's so bright. You can turn it up. You can turn it down. It's just the absolute brightest light you could possibly imagine. And I'm going to take you into the one room in my house that has no natural light. It's the downstairs bathroom. And it looks really bright, and you can see, you know, everything. And then I turn off the light and nothing. I did this on Instagram when I first received it, because I was just like showing people, you know, I unboxed it. I was like, oh, you know, this is what it does. And I couldn't believe, like, there were people going, yeah, okay. And then I turned it off and it was pitch black. And the number of people that messaged me like, okay, now I'm interested. Like, that is a lot of light from a small thing. It's very compact. I'm planning on taking this away with me, and I'm really hoping that it's okay. I think I'm gonna have to take it hand luggage just to be safe, but I'm gonna put it in a laptop case because it's that kind of size. I've heard lots of people have taken it on holiday with them, like with no problem, so fingers crossed. But this is fantastic for exactly that use, because how often can you really get decent lighting, decent like mirror to do your makeup on in a hotel room. Hardly ever. This is going to be absolutely fantastic. So it comes with that. If you are interested, you can obviously like, it's got this Bluetooth thing. I've never hooked it up to Bluetooth. I don't really understand why you would need to, but you can actually take selfies with it. So you can press a button on here and take a picture. That's too technological. I don't understand why that feature is even there, but it is. So if I wanted to take a selfie, it's like a massive ring light with you. Then I would put my thing on there, turn on the light and take a picture. I hardly ever use it for that purpose. I thought I would use it more. I don't. I use this every single day propped up on this thing that it came with, which is just like a little stand. So you can stand it up that way, or you can stand it up this way because it's all completely just free of everything. And this is just like a little nothing stand. It's not special at all. And I have it in my little cupboard where I do my makeup, which sounds stranger than it is. And I do my makeup with that every single day. It's very dark right now in the UK. It's super dark in the mornings when I get ready for work, and it is just fantastic. And bear in mind, I have a full light ring behind this for filming. The light ring was in there so that I can, it's basically like a little studio in a box for me. So I can turn on the light ring, open up the cupboard, turn on the light ring and film, and I've got like good bright lighting. And 9 times out of 10, I just use this now, which is incredible. So again, if you are coming at it from someone who was maybe thinking of buying some lighting anyway, even if it was just to do your makeup or just to take nice pictures, whatever, this is like, it does the job of so many things. The other thing that comes with it is this, which is a magnifying mirror, which again, the same as the other thing, goes on magnetically, but it has to go one way. So it can't go this way, has to go, it's got the magnets on the back, has to go exactly that way, can't put it up here, has to go in the middle. But once it's on, it is really stuck on there. And this is amazing for facial hair. If you have got, I mean, I've got a decent amount of facial hair going on. We're talking like a mustache, full beard if left unchecked. If you've got like even eyebrows, but that's not something that I even worry about. I barely pluck my eyebrows compared to my chin. If you're worried about that kind of thing, this is worth it almost just for that. Because I will look at the bathroom mirror, it could be perfect daylight, even the car mirror, and I can't see hairs that I can see with this light, with that magnifying mirror. It's a revelation. Revelation and also kind of horrifying at the same time, because I've seen hair that I didn't even know was there. But all in all, very, very effective, super expensive if you can get it on a sale. I mean, especially because we're going to come up to after Christmas. I mean, we've missed the like Black Friday sales. I know they had some deals, but after Christmas, if they've got any kind of January sale on and you are maybe thinking about it, I can't recommend it enough. I think I would probably pay up to £140, £150. I wouldn't want to pay full price because I feel like they're always on offer somewhere, and I'd be like being had a little bit if I paid full price because I know that there's a deal to be found. But I think I would repurchase this full price if something happened to it because it's been so useful, even if I wasn't using it to make videos, because I don't use it to make videos all that often. If I'm going to do like an IGTV or something, or I'm going to do like an Instagram live with my friend, I just get that out so much easier than having to like make sure that there's good lighting in the room, or like I could just kind of take it with me. That's the beauty of it. I don't have to like get rid of everyone out of the room. If the kids and stuff are in here, that's the only light source that I've got. This now I can take up to my bedroom and do whatever I need to do with perfect lighting. It really is super useful, but that's not even why I would have to repurchase it. I use this every single day to do my makeup, and I'm really excited to take it away with me. So hopefully that's been useful for those of you who are maybe on the fence thinking about it. If you've got one, better still, if you've got a cheaper version, because I've never tried anything like this before. If you've got a cheaper version and you think it is absolutely the bee's knees, please let us know. I might end up just buying a few from Amazon just to trial and see whether or not this one really is head and shoulders better than everything else. Everything I've read says that it is. And just the amount of light that it gives in that very, very dark room in my house, I feel like is, wow, this is amazing. But yeah, let me know if you have tried this, if you've tried a cheaper one, if you've tried both even better. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.